Namaskar, I am your host Sugandha and you're watching Lokmatrajasthan. In a significant shift, India is outpacing China in the United States market with rising exports and growing investments. As China struggles with economic slowdown and supply chain disruptions, India is stepping into the spotlight. Meanwhile, Donald Trump's controversial comment discouraging American companies from hiring Indians has ignited backlash and debate. The global trade landscape is witnessing a dramatic transformation for years. China dominated the US import market, but recent data signals a major shift. India is fast becoming America's new sourcing hub. Amid weakening demand, rising labor costs, and geopolitical tensions surrounding China, the US is increasingly turning to India for critical imports, especially in sectors like pharmaceuticals, technology services, textiles, and electronic components. Reports from the US Department of Commerce indicates that Indian exports to the US rose by over 12% in the past year. While Chinese exports saw a dip of nearly 9%, India is now being recognized as a reliable alternative, offering competitive pricing, English proficiency, and a stable geopolitical alignment with the West. In parallel, political heat intensifies as US President Donald Trump recently made a polarizing statement during his campaign trail in Michigan. Trump accused Indian tech professionals of taking away American jobs and urged American companies stop hiring Indians and bring those jobs back to US workers. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Meta continue to rely heavily on Indian engineers and developers. At the same time, India's rising exports are not only driven by labor advantages but also by infrastructure improvements and trade-friendly reforms. Under the Make in India initiative, the Indian government has pushed to become a global manufacturing hub, attracting US firms seeking to diversify beyond China. As decoupling between the US and China accelerates, India stands strategically placed to benefit both economically and diplomatically. However, Trump's remarks threaten to complicate the narrative, injecting political rhetoric into what has largely been a story of trade realignment and economic opportunity. As China's grip on the US market weakens, India is seizing the opportunity with resilience and reform. Yet political headwinds like Trump's anti-India hiring stance could create friction. The coming months will test whether India can maintain momentum and navigate the complex intersection of trade, talent, and geopolitics. For more such information, keep watching Lokmat Rajasthan.